Hello plant parents, welcome to the freshly baked episodes on My Plant, My Baby. And today we have something really special, which is our new series on the smiling parents, where we touch the journeys of new parents, old parents, and their journey on how they grow their kids from an amateur to a pro gardener. And today we have Gitanjali and Manoj, where we talk on their journey of their 102 kids which they brought up and raised them. And let's hear from them how has been their journey. So Manoj, Gitanjali, you have more than 100 plus babies. Tell me about this journey. I'm so excited.
102.
102, yes. So how it all started? What was your first baby and how was that feeling? Tell me about it.
Anu, it so happened that, my grandfather was a farmer. And my grandparents as well as my parents were so interested that, I go in a good school, and so they packed me up in a boarding school.
Sure.
So I never got to work on a farm. I never got into farming actually. So the desire always remained in me that, I must try my hands there. So once, in life, I took control of myself. Much before we married, and started up with the so-called in-house garden.
Okay, but this was when? This was early 20s, if you remember, like when you were in your early 20s or early 30s?
Yes, early 20s.
Early 20s. Okay, so.
Oh, really? Even I didn't know that. I didn't know that he started in early 20s.
I know. I think farming and gardening is in his blood, I think. Tabhi this started early.
I guess, yes.
Do you remember the first baby you had? Like the first plant you ever got? You remember which was it?
I think it would be the Crompton or the money plant.
Okay.
I think the Crompton, because I had this, the multicolored.
So I'm sure it's a croton there. Yeah. Yes.
And then the excitement was more, but the struggle was enormous.
Just for my curiosity, so how many kids by then you had? Like how many plant babies you had?
May not have kept the count, but yes.
10, 15?
No, more.
More. Okay, much more. Okay, much more. Okay, but how is you? Tell me about you, because you had been.
So yeah, no. I've always grown up with nature. We've had huge, lands around us, and my mother was a very, very keen gardener and farmer.
Oh.
And horticulturist.
So then it's
so I grew up with that, and it's not my passion, but I feel so comfortable with Manoj's passion because it always, brings me closer to my mother, who's no more. And, it's like, she got him for me, literally. I mean, upar se, because I can see that, wohi, khurpi leke lage hue hain.
So I think gardening is not alien to you then.
No, it's not alien to me, but yes, I don't have that hands-on passion. And I don't know, Manoj ne jo abhi share kiya, Croton ki journey jo usne share kari, I have seen him as someone with a very green thumb.
Right.
He has got amazing ability to grow plants, and in our previous house, in fact, every winter it was like some flower festival was taking place on the balcony. We didn't have a ground floor at that time.
Yeah.
Balcony pe itne plants ugata tha ye. It was really marvelous to see.
The last house was on fourth floor.
Okay.
And the balconies, particularly the south one, during winters. Yeah. So, and this passion or hobby, what you call it, there's a different focus and mood. Sometimes it is the flowers,
sure,
and sometimes it is the greens.
Sure.
So, like lately, the focus is more towards the greens.
Greens.
Yeah.
Okay. lot of plant parents and lot of new plant parents, they're never able to feel the energy or the depth of a pro gardener, right? So, for example, my wife feels, how can you invest so much of time or energy or resources into this, or what does it gives you? ऐसा क्या होता है कि अंदर से that you feel so satisfied? So I want to know, as a pro gardener now, when you spend Sunday afternoon 3 hours doing gardening, or every morning probably which you can spend time with her or doing other stuff, what is it that gives you, what is it that comes out of it कि you can do that? Because a lot of new
I have to agree with you, Anu, because मेरे को कई बार ख्याल आता है और मैं कई बार कहती भी हूँ कि if I was a plant, that he'd probably spend more time, effort and energy, on me, But
I think the desire to grow up or become a plant parent is there in everyone. But this desire converts into passion and more of your time as and when you develop and learn the skill. Initially, like I said, the first plant I got, the excitement was there, but struggle was more.
Yes.
And I think I got one or maybe two, and therefore the entire focus, and I think I may have overwatered it, or it was my too much focus, that too much care that killed the plant.
Yes.
So over a period of time you become experienced, the so-called, you develop that particular skill. And then once you start seeing the result, then the passion grows.
So I think the new leaf which comes out, or a new flower which blooms, seeing that on a 7 a.m. in the morning, and which you haven't seen the last night, that happiness to see that life growing and recovering in itself, I think that happiness is what makes every plant parent spend so much more time and resources into it, I think.
Yeah, exactly. Like when you entered and we were talking about that money tree.
Yes.
For the last week, last probably month, I've been seeing that it's fading away, it's dying.
Okay.
Every day the leaves were going.
So you don't see it this way?
No, I see it. लेकिन क्योंकि मनोज का बिलीफ ये है कि वो गार्डनिंग मेरे से बहुत अच्छी जानता है, which is true also. So I'm very careful with my comments and observations because he just likes to say, you don't know, और he says मैं कर तो रहा हूँ, मतलब so you say कि ठीक है भाई, अगर कोई एक कर रहा है.
I must add, I continue to get these tips from behind.
But he doesn't like comments, he doesn't like it even if I go and pluck the dead heads, leaves जो मुरझा जाएं, तो मैं उनको क्लीन करती हूँ, क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली मुझे मेरी मॉम ने सिखाया था कि वो कोई भी चीज़ जो फेड कर रही है उसको हटा दो, because otherwise it will pull resources from the rest of the very important thing to do. But he doesn't like it if I do that. तो मैं कई बार quietly जाके dead heads हटाती हूँ, leaves हटाती हूँ, and then I put them on the base of the thing, because that's what my mom taught me. क्योंकि ना वो over a period of time उसको अगर आप उसी में add करते रहो तो it is actually compost. हाँ, आपके लिए ही वो it is beneficial for the plants.
Yeah, that grooming is very important. It really enhances the look of the plant.
So you have two human kids also, right? And they're lovely growing up. What has your experience of gardening or your experience of being with nature has inspired you to teach that part to your human babies?
That's such a wonderful way of putting it. Yeah, that's such a thank you for that thought, Anu. Really, thank you for that thought.
See, gardening is almost like you're calling the nature inside your house, and it's during the pandemic, because we were all together locked in, and fortunately we have a ground floor, so and a small garden outside, so we could spend some time, not just some time, but a lot of time. Yes. And kids have a very they're very curious, and they have excellent questions, and while answering the questions, there's a lot of learning. And it's my own personal feel is that, you know, a person who grows plants is probably has to be a very optimist, because you know you are growing the seeds or the small sapling, and you know that one day it's going to tree or going to give flowers, and so there's a lot of optimism when you do that.
That's quite a perspective.
Yeah.
That's a very deep perspective. Yeah, man.
How about you? What do you think nature sort of teaches us, which we should instill in our future generation, in our kids?
I think something that he has not mentioned somehow is that earlier when we were in our older house, you know, he used to make it a point to involve both the children, Namya and Tara, in you know, on gardening with him on the weekends.
Okay.
So ये तीनों कपड़े पहनते थे, इनके एक स्पेशल सेट था गार्डनिंग के कपड़ों का, और you know, plants बनाते थे, मतलब in the sense, you know, they would pot them, repot them, you know, and work with plants for literally 2 to 3 hours on every Sunday. He used to do that very regularly.
Yeah.
अब पता नहीं क्यों नहीं करते.
You know, patience, because when you see a new leaf and you're so excited and you want कि बस आज हो जाए, but it never happens. It takes 3 months, maybe months to get one new leaf come out of it, or one new flower to come out of it, and you keep nurturing them or whatever. And then when I saw my kid, I realized that, you know, she needs to be nurtured, and you need to be patient, because I am a impatient father by nature of what I am as a human being. And I was like, okay, but bata diya to ho jana chahiye, you know? But I realized that's not true, you know.
Patience and ups and downs, you know, like I mean, a plant is not the same all 12 months. There are seasons, and with every season it has its own different look. Yes. So you got to bear the entire all the phases, and the patience, the level of patience in every phase has to be different. The expectations in every phase has to be different. The results, of course, is different in every phase.
So how you again went? So I've seen a lot of parents give up this as a hobby, because that's the tipping point, you know. You buy and somehow you are not able to take care of it, and you feel, I don't have a green thumb, I'm not built to be a gardener, and they give up on this hobby, right? And they give up on the whole experience they're gonna have in their life if they become a pro gardener, and all those learnings also. So tell the new plant parents on what you did after that, and why you again got a new plant probably.
See, the desire, like I said, was always there, and then you know, information. Basically, the more information you collect, you realize that what went wrong. And availability of equipments. These are all small equipments, but they are necessary. You know, they need to be available at the time of use, and the source has to be there. Okay. So over a period of time, this is getting better.